Hello students, this is class 3rd. Class 3rd and subject is GSC and date is 30th June 2021. Today we are going to start a new lesson. That is lesson 13, air and water. Lesson 13, air and water. We are familiar to air. Without air, we cannot live. Air is found in the gaseous form. Air we cannot see, but we can experience air. Air is necessary for respiration. So we have to discuss in detail about the air in this lesson. So lesson 13, air and water, we have to study today. Lesson 13, air and water. Pre-reading questions. What are the things that are necessary for life? You answer, what are the things necessary for life? You know, air, water, and food. These are the things which are necessary for life. But in these things, air has more importance because we can live only a few minutes without the air, but we can live without food and water for more than one day. Write some of the things that cannot work without air for the burning process, and many things are there which cannot work without the air. How much water is there on the earth? You know about the 70% of the surface of the air is occupied by water. Aim of studying this lesson: to familiarize the students with composition and function of air and water. So what is aim of studying this lesson? So First, we have to search EPN. So, mm, this is aim. To familiarize to familiarize the students with composition and function of air with composition and function of air and water. So, what is the aim of studying this lesson? To familiarize the students with composition and function of air and water. So, first we are reading about the air. So, air is all around us. It is made up of gases. Air is made up of the gases that contain the oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc. etc. These constitute the air. So, air is a mixture of the gases. So, air is all around us. It is made up of gases. We can feel but cannot see it. We can feel it when it moves. Moving air is called wind. It occupies space and has weight. So, air occupies space and has weight. We breathe in air all the time. We cannot survive without air. Normally, we take in air through our nose. If we close our nose and mouth, we feel suffocated. When we breathe air, through the nose, it is called respiration. Respiration is a sign of life. When respiration stops, life ends. So respiration is the indicator of life. Living things respire 24 hours. That may be plants as well as animals. So it is an indicator of respiration. If respiration stops, life ends. Air is one of our basic need. Let us know what air contains. Let us know what air contains. So, air contains water vapor, air contains gases, air contains smoke, air contains germs. We will discuss one by one. Next time we will discuss in detail about these things. Thank you. That's what today.